Is MT7711. It actually has 24x8 cable modem plus AC1900 router plus as well. Two phone lines included in that for VYOP. This is exclusively for Xfinity only. It comes with two ports, obviously for the phone lines, and the maximum speed is 1900 megabit per second. Sorry, router. It has 1,000 maximum cable modem speed. I have Xfinity, and what ended up happening is I hate paying for router leases fees on my cable bill, so this actually makes sense. The previous router I had had an accident. Water fell into it when I was draining my fish tank. It was directly underneath the fish tank, so water fell into it. So therefore, this one came into play. Check it out. Check out the installation. I hope you guys enjoy. Check out the full installation. All right. All right, here's the unboxing piece of the modem. Pretty much. I'm gonna actually slice it wide open here and open it up. You take the plastic film off in order to access the box in itself. Top, I believe, yep, top. And it opens like a book, like that. And obviously it comes with instruction manuals with a guide and technical support and information right then and there. And pretty much this is the modem by itself, and that's the back of the modem. That's where the cable goes. That's the on and off plug. That's the power. Those are the telephone plugs right here. And these are all the Ethernet cables right here. And that right there is the WPS button. It looks kind of robust, obviously. It doesn't look great as the other ones out there, but actually this one will do the trick, and it's just as good as any other ones out there, to be exact. So I'll also leave the link of this in the description below as well, where you can get this if you're interested in getting one yourself. But there's actually, I don't know why we would need this. Set of wrenches and cable ties, which the cable ties I can understand, but the wrench I don't really get it. And obviously a power cable, phone plug, and that's that. There's no Ethernet plug whatsoever. Oh yeah, there is actually. My apologies, I lied. There's an Ethernet plug right here, yellow one as a matter of fact. I don't know how I missed that. But I'm about to go install this now, and now the installation piece began. So accidentally on this one here, I actually dropped water on it while cleaning up my fish tank that I've actually done a review on, and that one's dead. So I need to replace that with the new one I just got. And that's pretty much that in a nutshell. So in order to do so, I have to unplug everything that I have plugged in here. It looks like I won't need a phone cable that's actually attached to it, and I won't need Ethernet cables as well. That came with the box. So all I have to do is pretty much install this, uncoil this, and then figure my way around this particular piece right here. So with that being said, this is the old one, RS SVG 2482 AC. I'll leave the link for that one as well. It's a very good router as well. You could get this one. This one comes with batteries at the bottom. I didn't get the batteries, of course, because I didn't see the need for them, but you could actually have a backup battery there in case there's power outages. You can still have internet in your house somewhat. But yeah, so I'm going with this one to say the least for right now. Let me get up and that's that. If you notice on this one, there's no USB plugs. I wasn't using any of the USB plugs in the RS anyway, so therefore it didn't make any sense for me to get one with USB because I wasn't putting it to good use whatsoever. So this will do the trick, and also this will actually fit much better underneath this right here. It'll actually fit much better because it's shorter in a lot of ways. So let me go ahead and start getting this installed. First things first, I'm uncoiling the wire that came with this, the power. First, connecting the cable to it. First, before I power anything on, making sure all my stuff is connected. So that's one part right there. And my Ethernet plugs are going right back where they were. One is for my cameras, and the other one is for extender mesh system that we have in the house. So I just plugged them right back in the back of the phone, in the back of the modem, sorry. And now I'm plugging the phone line, which is right here. Ooh, yeah. And I'm practically almost ready to get my internet back up. All right, so let's unplug this, the old one, and plug the new one now. So in order for me to do that, I have to use this adapter here and plug it back into this in the back right there. Booyah. All right, so now it's all plugged in and ready to rock. I'm making a mess. And now there's power to my router. And as you can see, set power to my router now. I can move it and place it in a much more convenient spot for me. And I'll move this down here. That way we don't have to worry about this any further. All right, so now let's figure out this internet thing. Yeah, this is trash. It's going trash. Woo. All right. After all that moving around back there, I was able to get it plugged in, and now it's working. It's just a matter of getting all my internet components plugged into it and setting up my Wi-Fi just in order to do so. So here we are. Check us out.